Oh, hey there, Joseph here. One question for you. How can you sell on Instagram during Black Friday? I am about to share a great strategy for you, so keep watching. My name is Joseph Rubelli. I help you to turn followers into clients using video. In today's video, I am sharing with you my Instagram strategy for your Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or your next promotion, plus 4 Instagram stories content ideas. So make sure you stay with me until the end of this video. Let's get started. Now, the first question you want to ask to yourself is, what kind of promotion am I going to run? On my experience, the best offer you can do on Black Friday are essentially 4. You can run a sale where you give a set discount for a set period of time, where you give access earlier to the Black Friday sale, and you give to your existing customer a specific discount, and on Black Friday you give another one. You can do a bundle where you pick your top seller and you sell them together just for that day. Or you can actually launch a brand new product, a brand new thing that is available only on Black Friday. Once you identify what kind of promotion you want to run, the next question is, how long will your promotion be? Is it going to be a flash sale just on Cyber Monday or Black Friday? Or is it going to be a long sale that you're going to use for a week? Personally, I feel different promotion work better for different business model and different products. So it's really entirely up to what you have to sell. On my personal experience, I've seen an increase of bundles during Black Friday. People love the opportunity to grab all the best sellers together, and that's a great chance for people that already are your clients and they want to experience the best of having the bigger size of your best sellers, or people that never tried your bestseller before and they have been free fans for a long time and now that's their chance to try it as well. So it's really up to what you sell. Now, we identify what kind of promotion we're running, we identify how long is it going to be for. The next question is, how can we keep the audience interested until the day of the promotion, especially online? Well, there are 2 key strategies for you here. The first strategy is you can play with bonuses. If you are someone that is a skincare brand or a clothing brand, you can give something extra to your offer that they get only on a certain day, and that will drive urgency. If you instead are a service-based business or a coach, what you can do, you can use the rock bottom strategy. How does that work? It's very simple. You offer your product at the lowest price it's ever been. And once people enroll to your course or enroll to your consultancy, whatever you do, the price go up of $3 to $4. More people enroll, more the price will go up. Meaning this will drive urgency to your clients, therefore they will feel the pressure of buying it earlier. A great tip I can give to you once you find out your promotion and what you're going to offer is optimize anything to deal with sales for mobile. Let me tell you something, the day of Black Friday is the day people want to buy. You don't have to invite them to buy something, they already coming to you because they want something for you. Therefore, you need to make the customer journey as accessible as possible. Once your website is not ready or is not optimized for mobile, you will lose their client for that day. They will not come back, they will move on to another brand and to another company that has the website ready. Make sure your automation for mobile is on point. Let's get to part number 2, which is execution. How can we execute this sale on social media? The first thing to do on Instagram is optimizing your page. The first thing you want to do is to schedule your posts. You want to get all your graphics or your static posts or your videos ready to go and schedule them. You can use companies such as Later, Planonly. There are tons of companies out there that allows you to plan your posts and schedule it, not only for promotion, but for any time, really. And this allows you to ensure that your promotion runs smoothly. The second thing you want to do is change your bio. You want to update your bio, include your offer out there, and also ensure that you specify there is a Black Friday offer that they're not gonna find any more other than Black Friday. A great tip I can give to you is to update your profile pic. If you are a service-based business or a coach, what you can do is update your profile picture and twist it a little bit just for Black Friday. You can use a black ring around your picture to highlight the Black Friday sale, something that is really useful from perspective of stories. So when people see the black ring, they will understand that there is a sale going on, or they will just be curious and they will check out your story, therefore see your promotion. Or if you are someone into beauty, you can do a makeup specifically for Black Friday with a black lipstick. This will drive, of course, attention and will make people click on your handle and check out your promotion as well. Now it's time for Instagram stories, content ideas. I break it down in 4 different types to make it easier for you. So we have Instagram story for visibility, engagement, lead generation, and sale. Let's get to it. The first one is visibility. Now, this is where you want to attract people in the niche of your offer. And a great content idea for you is you can tag your favorite account in the niche that you're trying to target and give them a shout out on stories. They will repost you, and this will allow you to be visible to the people you want to sell to. The second story idea is for engagement. Now, you want to tease your Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or your next promotion on Instagram stories, showing some behind the scene. A great tip for you, use the question sticker to get the audience involved and allow them to guess what you're working on. If you are a product-based business, let's say you are a skincare brand and you have 2 bestsellers, you can use the poll sticker to understand which team of your bestsellers your audience is. For instance, if you have a pigmentation cream and a pigmentation serum, you can understand which one of the 2 your audience prefer. Content ideas number 3 is lead generation. You want to get your audience excited about what is coming. So you can use the countdown sticker on your Instagram story to let them know exactly when the promotion will drop. This will allow them to turn on the notification and get notified once the sale has started. A great strategy that I have seen working really well for product-based business and for service-based businesses is the 3-way strategy. How essentially talk about your offer in 3 different ways. Let's make an example. If you are a product-based business, you can share on your story 3 ways to style your product. For instance, this works really well for clothing brand. If you are a service-based business, you can share on your story 3 ways why your service is different. If you instead are a coach, you can use this as a way to share 3 ways to achieve your goals quicker without working harder but smarter. Whichever you use, make sure you always give your audience a call to action at the end, so tell them exactly what you want them to do. Story idea number 4 is for sales. Now we have the sale going on, the sale is open, so it's time to share some feedback. Anybody that give you a positive review, happy DMs, or they give you a great review on your website, make sure you screenshot and share it on your story. And as a call to action, make sure you give them the link on a swipe up. If you don't have a swipe up, you can jump into IGTV and you can do a little video where you share all your reviews and you link this on the description of your IGTV. Just a little reminder for you, IGTV allows you to put a link that actually works on the description. Idea number 1 is to share who is your offer specifically designed for, and this is where you share your ideal avatar, your ideal client. This will help your audience to identify themselves and really understand if that offer is right for them or not. Idea number 2 is to give a big shout out to somebody that already purchased your offer and is sharing a review with you. Another great tip you can use is to contact your clients that are loyal already, but they didn't buy the product that you're offering on sale just yet, and you give them an extra discount to give you a review. That's a little cheeky, but it works really well, especially if you know that the people that are buying your product are actually loyal and they will come back whether the sale is on or not. So now you're ready to go. You have your sales strategy in place for Instagram, and now it's your turn. I want to jump on conversation with you on the comments, and I want to know what is the biggest challenge you are facing on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or in general when you're running a promotion. I am more than happy to support you, and you can also follow me on Instagram, where I share tips and tricks each and every day about content and video marketing. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, smash the love with the like button if you like this topic, and make sure you turn on the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you same time, same place next week.